Okay, so writing is finished, so we'll move writing over to the finished side. And actually the students should be doing that because that lets them know this activity, we're done with that. And now we're going to move on to math. Some students will need a break in between these activities, especially if you worked on it for more than 15 minutes, then I would say, you know, have a little break, walk around, maybe go do a few things, maybe have a snack or something, and then come back. Okay, so we're on to math. So if your student is working on counting to 100, here I have a hundreds chart, and that was included in your packet. So when we're counting to 100, sometimes we get caught up, especially after we get from 29, 30. All right, so then when we get to 37, 38, 39, instead of saying 40, we might say 30. And again, when we get 47, 48, 49, we might say 30, because at some point we learned to count to 30 and we didn't learn to count any higher than 30. So every time we get to the end of our row here, instead of saying 50, we say 30. So mainly, we need to really practice working on that transition from the number ending in 9 to the next set of 10. So 57, 58, 59, 60. So we might have to jump start 60. Then they'll automatically know, okay, 61, 62, 63. When we get down here, 67, 68, 69, we might want to say 30 again. Sometimes it helps just to make the S sound, and then they know to shift to, then they know, okay, it's 70, 71, 72. And the same thing when we get down to 77, 78, 79. Sometimes I'll just start the like the beginning of 80, and then they'll know to say 80 instead of referring back to 30. So this is mainly the area that we're concentrating on when we're counting to 100. Just making sure that we can transition from this set of 10 onto the next set of 10 without reverting back to saying the word 30. So mainly that's what you're going to be practicing. Just saying from 1 to 100, but concentrating on these areas where we have to shift to the next set of 10.